In this tutorial, you will see how I made this beautiful infographic slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, you are requested to watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Click on the oval shape, go to Align and click on Align Center and click on Align Middle. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick this parallelogram shape and drag it over here like this and place it here like this. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here. Now select this one, hold down the Ctrl key and select another one. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it over here like this. Now select this one, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it over here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Now this is looking beautiful. Now let me select this shape, hold down the Ctrl key and select all of this rectangle. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and click on Fragment. Now select this oval shape, click on Delete button and delete the shape. Now let me select this portion, go to Shape Fill, insert a fill color, select this portion, go to Shape Fill, select another fill color, select this portion, go to Shape Fill. Let me go to More Fill Color, go to Standard, select this color, select this portion, go to Shape Fill, give another fill color, select this one, Shape Fill. Let me select another fill color, select this one, go to Shape Fill, go to More Fill Color, select this color and click on OK. Now go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Gradient Fill, click on over here and select the radial gradient accent 3, delete this two stops, select this one, select this color and select this stops and select the white color. Select this one and increase the transparency like this, and this is looking beautiful. Now select all of this shape, hold down the Ctrl key, go to Shape Format, go to Shape Fill, select the white fill color. Now click on Gradient Fill, go to here, select this option, select this stop, go to here, make it white color, select this stops, go to here and select this fill color and make it linear, and select the direction and click on From Center. After selecting all of this, go to Effect, go to Shadow, click on Offset Center, decrease the transparency to 50%, increase the size to 110% and increase the blur to 10 point, and here you will see this is looking beautiful. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here 1, change the font color, change the font, increase the font size, place it here like this. Select the text box, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Again doing the same task. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. And change the number. This is not visible actually, you can change the font color from here. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, I have to pick another text box, drag it over here and write your text here. If you want, you may change the font, keep it like this. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here and make it right. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this. Now go to Insert, go to Icon, Let me insert this icon and this one. Click on insert, select this icon, keep it over here, go to graphics fill, change the graphics fill color from here, select this text box, press Ctrl D to duplicate and write here PowerPoint for future, make it center, keep this one and keep it over here, select the text over here, make it bold, make it text shadow. Now select this one, hold down the shift key, reduce the size, place it over here, go to graphics format, go to graphics fill, select the eyedropper and select this color. Let me change the color something like this. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, go to graphics format, graphics fill, go to eyedropper, select this color, click on right button, go to change graphics from icon. Let me select another icon from here, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, click on right button, go to change graphics from icon. Let me select another icon, go to graphics format, graphics fill, eyedropper, select this color. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate, keep it here, click on right button, go to change graphics from icon, select another icon, press Ctrl D to duplicate, keep it over here. If you want, you may change the icon or the color like the previous one. Now select the icon, press Ctrl D to duplicate, keep it over here. If you want, you may change the icon and the color like the previous one. Let me select the text box icon and the rectangle, press Ctrl G to group, select this one and this text box and press Ctrl G to group them together. And I am doing the same task. Press Ctrl G to group, select this three, press Ctrl G to group and select this two, press Ctrl G to group. Now I have to add some animation. Select this one, go to animation, click on wipe, effect option from left, change the duration to 0.75. Select this one, wipe, effect option from left, from 0.75. Then select this one, go to animation painter, click on over it. Select this one, animation painter and click on over it. Select this one, go to animation painter, click on over here. Select this one, go to animation painter and click on over here. And let me select this one, go to animation painter, click on over here. Let me change the direction from right. Select this one, animation painter, click on over here, go to effect option from right. Select this one, animation painter, click on over this. Select this one, animation painter, click on over this. And doing the same task for this one also. Now here, let me watch the slideshow. This is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.